and welcome back to another episode of Lake Monster Lures. In this case, it's actually Lake Monster Decoys. So I am now diving headfirst into making spearing and decoys. I've now made quite a few of them, but as of this video, you are not aware of that. You've only probably seen the one other spearing decoy that I've made, and honestly it looked really good, and I've learned a lot since then. The decoys have gotten a lot better, they function really well, and I've really kind of catered my whole setup to just focus on them for a while, because it is winter, it is freezing cold outside, and I've got a lot of friends and family members who actually do spearing in the wintertime, and so I started making them decoys. I've not sold one yet. So the focus of this video is to actually make a spearing decoy, start to finish, paint it, all that stuff, and then sell it and see how much it can actually go for. Like, what can I make off of this? So if you guys are actually interested in purchasing a decoy from me, there's going to be an opportunity for you to do so. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and you will be privileged to, privileged to buy a decoy from me, and it's going to be auctioned starting at $1. So all of that information coming at the end of the video. But otherwise, let's get right into it. So yeah, let's make a spearing decoy. So I decided I'm going to do a brook trout because I think they're really cool looking, and I've seen some sell already on eBay. So got my outline, and yeah, we're gonna go make this happen. I'm gonna cut this out, put it on the wood, and you'll see all the steps. They're coming. So this tool is like the best. You need to get one of these. If you're going to be making any sort of like DIY lures or decoys, this is amazing. Obviously it's clear, it's bendable, okay? Helps with making this symmetrical, putting down measurements. So I'm able to put like a middle line on there. That's going to be the same on both sides because I can measure the height all the way across. So I've got my measurements put in here. Now I'm going to carve this out so that way it is beveled, like rounded. So that way it's rounded across the top, flatter on the bottom. Then I'll come in here, I'll put in the lead cavity, I'll start carving this so it takes some actual fish-like shape. So now I gotta go carve it out. I've got the Decoy with a bunch of weights, and it's coming up to about 50 grams. I put this in a sink full of water to make sure that's enough weight to bring it down. So then I'm going to add lead to it. My lead pot's hot. I'm going to drip lead into the cavity here until it gets to that same weight of 50 grams, and then that should be enough lead to bring this decoy down. And at first I was nervous that it wouldn't have enough weight to the head, and now I'm nervous that it's not going to be enough to the tail. So we will check it out. We're at 48. That might be enough. So all I do to figure out where to put it in is use a thumbtack. Kind of estimate, and I got really lucky. That's the first place I put it, and tie the string to it, and then just use it as I would. And this one is perfect. Nice tight circles. There you go. guys, so there is one small problem. I fell in love with that Decoy and I don't feel like selling it. I want to keep it for my own collection. However, next week's video that's coming out is of another Decoy build that I'm done making. It's right here. So get a good look at that. It's a northern pike. It does swim really well. It's a bit longer than the Decoy that I just built in here. This video and the build on it will be up next week, but the one part that isn't filmed yet is your part. Your part of the video is going to be the auction. As of this post of this video, this Decoy is being auctioned off on eBay. I'm starting it off at $1. So whatever it ends up going for at the end of the week, 7-day auction, is what it will sell for. So it's up to you guys. If you're interested in buying it, go look for it on eBay. It's Northern Pike Spearing Decoy. Just search it. If I can link it in the description, I will. And check it out. Let's see how much this can sell for. It is my very first Decoy that I am selling. It does work well. It is covered in polyurethane, so it is sealed and it works. I've tested it out in the water. So yeah, guys, check it out on eBay. Good luck with the bid, and thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time. And yeah, we'll find out how much does this go for.